How to cancel order on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode I'll be showing you how you can cancel order on Amazon. So first thing first, before we get started with the video, make sure to update your application and then check your internet connection. Now to begin with, go ahead and log in into your Amazon account. So if you have ordered some product and if you change your mind and want to cancel that particular product, then what you need to do is, after you're logged into your account, you'll need to click on the profile icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This is gonna take you to the profile page. Over here you can see right on top in the upper left there is your orders. So as soon as you click on your orders, right over here you'll be able to see all of your ordered items. So if you want to cancel the product, then just tap on the cancel button located right next to the product, and once again there will be a confirmation. Click on it, and for a confirmation sometimes you might receive a call from a customer care as well. You might also receive a statement through an SMS or an email, and you'll need to confirm it. Only then your order will be cancelled. In this way you can cancel an order from Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.